Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today's Dollar Tree DIY is this Farmhouse Chic home decor. So I found these two larger size mirrors at the Dollar Tree and I decided to paint the black rim with the silver lining paint that I picked up from Walmart. I've had it for a while now. It's called Silver Lining. So this is the first coat and here is the second coat, and it just looks so much better with that paint instead of that plasticky black around it. So now I'm just going to assemble the mirror just as I disassembled it. Super easy to do. You just pop out the cardboard and the mirror comes right off. So I'm just adding a little bit of hot glue, just a couple of dots to kind of secure it once I put the backing on. And like I said, it's super easy to do. It just pops in and out. So initially I was going to use this decorative nautical rope, and I just didn't like the way it looked with the gray, and I just felt like it was just too nautical looking. So I wanted it to be more farmhouse chic. So I remembered I had this ribbon that I found on clearance, around Christmas clearance at Walmart, and it has these little cotton balls. I thought that would be perfect. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue each end to the side of the mirror using hot glue. So the next part of the DIY are these really cute bookends. So I have this one piece of Halloween decor that was all one piece. I took it apart to use the 4 squares. I'm going to cover it with the wood contact paper, and then I'm going to paint over the wood contact paper with the silver lining to give it that kind of distressed wood look. So now I'm just going to glue 2 of them together to make one end of the bookends. So for the rest of the bookend, I'm using these really cute hedgehog piggy banks. I sprayed it with a spray paint called Pewter Gray was the color, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill these with these stones to give it some weight. Now I have this little paintbrush and this paint called Warm White, and I'm just kind of dotting on top of the bumps on the hedgehog to make it pop a little, and also on the eyeballs and the nose. So I cut off 2 of those little cotton balls from the ribbon, and I am hot gluing it right to the top of these like horns on these hedgehogs. I just thought it was super cute. And now you can glue your hedgehog onto the bookends. And here you go, this really cute farmhouse chic using all Dollar Tree items other than the hanger with the cotton balls that I found on clearance. But everything else is from the Dollar Tree except for the paint. And that bucket that says flowers and plants, I just found that at the Dollar Tree as well, which is super cute. So here's the little hedgehogs. I think they came out really cute. And of course you could use real wood. I was just using what I had from the Dollar Tree. And these are the do-it-yourself farmhouse beads I made myself, also using items from the Dollar Tree. I'll leave that linked for you as well. And I just added some succulents from the Dollar Tree in the bucket that says flowers, and that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this farmhouse chic home decor. If you did, go ahead and give me that thumbs up. And if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I'll catch you all really soon in the next DIY.